So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on getting the body kit on. So we've got a front lip, side skirts, and then as well as a ducktail. They're in this box here. They've been sitting there for ages. When we first started working on the car, I bought these and they're just been sitting in this box. So I'm going to get them out of this box here and then test fit them on the car, see how they look. And then I'm going to have to then figure out how to get it all mounted up. I don't think there's any instructions with this, so I'm just going to go ahead, get the stuff out of the box, show you what it all looks like. Here's the body kit. So we got the front lip, the side skirts, and then the rear ducktail, which most likely I'm going to create it so it is one piece to the boot rather than having to bolt it in. I'm gonna just blend it in and make it look like it's meant to be there, so it's like makes it look like it's one part. So I think for this, these side skirts are from I think they're called Bodykit. Oh, you can see the sticker over here. I think it's a company in Poland, or at least it came from Poland. I'm pretty sure they're just replicas of the Mazda Speed side skirts, because in the Mazda ones they also have these brackets that bolt onto the sill, and then the side skirt itself will sit on this little ridge to keep it supported, and then they're probably gotta get some other bolts bolted in, and then maybe some double-sided tape as well. I'm not quite sure how to put it all on at the minute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and test fit them all and see how it looks, and then we can figure out how to mount up the side skirts. The front lip's gonna be easy, just a few bolts. Just gonna go ahead, get these test fitted on the MX-5, and we'll see how they look. On, sort of anyway, and it's definitely going to need a bit of work. It's not too bad. It's just going to need a bit of trimming to get it fitting perfectly, and then same for the front lip. I mean, you probably need to repair a bit here. It's cracking, so I need a fiberglass a bit there just in case, and then the back. So with the back, I want to make it one piece, so I'll have to do some fiberglass work, then sanding it down, blend it in to make it one part, basically make it one piece. So to start, I'm probably just going to go and start with the front lip with the easiest, then move on to do the side skirts. So I'm just going to bring the MX-5 inside, and then start trying to bolt on the front lip and fix that broken bit on the fiberglass. Just got it all taped up here. This side's fine, and it's just a little bit popping out here, but it's flexible, so I should be able to push it in and get it bolted up. I'm gonna put a couple of bolts or nuts in here, some riv nuts. put 3 bolts, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side. It's all centered up as well. As you can see on this side, it will fit nicely, but on the other side it's tight, so you have to force it in. And so if both sides were like this, we could just put some double-sided tape on to keep it, because there's nothing in here we can really bolt it to. So we're gonna have to figure a way to bolt it up. See, on this side it's sitting out, but it is a bit flexible, so you can push it in, but then there's no, so we can't really use tape, because the tape will quick come away off. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do is make it so I can put a bolt through here, recess it so it's inside the piece, and then I can just fiberglass back over this. You won't be able to see the bolt from this side, but they will be in here, and then I'll be able to make a hole into the bumper, and then I'll be able to push the bolt in and then tighten it from the inside. Just drilled out this a bit with a bit bigger drill bit, and I've just drilled the head off this nut or bolt, and it will fit now nicely into here, so it's flush. So then what we're going to do is I'm going to fiberglass this bolt in from the outside as well as the inside to give it a bit more strength. We'll be putting on a nut as well, just to keep it in place, and then as well as the fiberglassing it in, I'll just cut the bolt shorter if need be. Got all the bolts all fiberglassed in. They're all fiberglassed on the inside and also fiberglassed on the outside. Obviously this here is gonna have to be sanded down now, but they are in there strong. Have to just now clean this outside up, outside edge, make it nice and flush, and the other side's just exactly the same, all fiberglassed in. So gonna go ahead, sandpaper it down till it's nice and smooth. the lip on, and it's also sanded down with the new bolts. As you can see, it's not fully done yet, finished yet. I still need to put some body filler on it to get it a perfect finish, but I was just test fitting here. So you can see this one's pretty good, it's nice and smooth. This one sticks out a tiny bit, so I need to fix that. There's not much of a gap. I haven't got it completely tight. I haven't even got a nut on this bolt here, so that'll probably push in a bit, and I might need to take a bit more away from in here, just so it fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead, take the lip off again, and just get some body filler on. Perfect, and we can get it ready to be painted. Lip is all done. We got it, all the body filler sanded down. As you can see, we got this side here all smooth as well, and then we did fix the little piece here. It's a bit rough, but yeah, this part's not going to be seen because it's going to be on the inside of the car anyway, and it's going to be painted, so it won't be that noticeable. And then same for the other side. We've got this all done as well, and it's all smooth. I just need to get it all painted. I'll be doing them alongside with the side skirts once I get them mounted up, the bolts in the correct position, then we can go ahead and get them sprayed. Front lips on, and the foot's all good now. It's still a little bit tight here, and it's got it damaged again, so it is pretty tight, so I may just sand this down a good bit. It's not that big of a deal, but it's a bit annoying. But once it's fully on, it's not gonna matter. So I'll probably take a bit away from in the inside here, so we have a bit more space. As you can see, it's kind of a tight fit, so we'll sort that out. And it's not bolted up or anything, I just stuck it in the bumper holes, and then we got the same side on here, all done, all smooth, and this one's nice and easy, goes in nice and easy. I think this here part is a bit lower than the other side, so what I'll do is with the hole inside the bumper, just make it a bit longer, the hole, so like drill up a bit, and then we should be able to just push this up and tighten the bolt on the nut on the inside. But yeah, that took a lot longer than I was hoping. I didn't know really I was gonna have to do all those fiberglass and all those bolts or whatever. But yeah, I was hoping to do the side skirts as well, but I guess I'll have to do that in the next video. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and in the next video I'll be working on getting the side skirts mounted up, and then maybe getting the front lip and the side skirts painted as well. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.